Hello guys, good day guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Sunburst Park, yung dating Iloilo Freedom Grandstand. Na nilipat na doon yung Iloilo Freedom Grandstand sa may Mollelone kasi ito talaga yung original na Sunburst Park. So ito guys, bigyan ko kayo ng konting history ng Sunburst Park. The Sunburst Park in Iloilo City was named after the U.S. Army 4th Infantry Sunburst Division, which helped free Panay from Japanese control at the close of World War II. Located along G. Embasa in front of Iloilo Custom House. The part was once called as Plaza de Aduana. After the Spanish term for Custom Sunburst Park is more than a monument, it is a living testament to the Ilongo's fight and success over the invaders. On January 11, 2018, the Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority formerly handled over Sunburst Park to the Iloilo City government. The ceremonies were led by TISA COO Pocholo Joselito Paragas and Iloilo City Mayor Jose Espinosa III. As the American soldier marched on Iloilo City, civilians welcomed them with presents of eggs, fruits, and candy, prepared pangkamote and coconut. Since then, the plaza has been called as Sunburst Park in honor of bros and soldiers. Okay, how to get there? Ride a tricycle or jeep and tell the driver to drop off at the Iloilo Custom House. The park is front of the aforementioned attraction. So yan lang guys, yung history ng Sunburst Park. So napakaganda talaga guys. Grabe talaga yung history dito. So ngayon binalik na yung Sunburst Park. Ayan guys, yung Iloilo Custom House. Napakaganda. Yan. So ngayon guys, na yan guys, museum na siya. Iloilo Maritime Maritime History Museum na siya. So marami ditong gumagala, nagpapahangin, karamihan dito mga estudyante na nagre-relax at syempre yung mga pamilya na nagpapahinga din dito kasi maganda dito guys. Malamig yung simoy ng hangin, maraming kahoy at syempre nasa sentro pa siya ng city proper. So dito guys makikita yung Calle Real. So sa likod dito guys ay yung Mollelone at saka yung Freedom Grandstand nandun na rin. So ikot-ikot pa tayo. So kita yun naman guys sobrang ganda talaga dito. Amazing talaga. Believe talaga ako dito sa LGU ng Iloilo City. Kasi kita nyo naman guys, wala kang makikitang kalat na basura dito. Yan, wala kang makita ang basura talaga dito. Disiplinado yung mga tao dito sa may Iloilo City. At guys, pag pumunta kayo dito sa sa Iloilo City, bawal manigarilyo kasi pag nahuli kayo guys talagang may multa yan. Kaya wala kang makikita ng cigarette butts dito sa o upos ng sigarilyo dito sa may Iloilo City kasi pinagbabawal yun guys. Iloilo City is a smoke free. So yan lang guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ward Giselle Edward. See you my next vlog. Bye!